I've been trying to make macarons lately a few times, and I failed literally all of them because the macaron didn't turn out to be crunchy outside. It was almost like a cake, soft outside, as you can see here. And so I started wondering why it turned out not crunchy. Basically, I modified the recipe to make it less sweet. So maybe I thought the ratio of the recipe was not good. So I searched the most popular recipe on the internet. I gave it a try, but the result was the same, like exactly the same, like soft shell. It was not crunchy at all. The reason why I failed was not the recipe, because I tried everything, like literally like 10 kinds of recipes, and I failed all of them. So I started wondering again, like it's not the recipe, I think it was something else. So I tried the Italian meringue macaron recipe because I thought maybe I'm not making good French meringue. So it was interesting because the result, the shell turned out to be the same again, like literally same. It has very thin layer. Like literally I spent time, money, like it was exhausting, so I almost gave up. But as a pastry person, I mean it's shameful that you cannot make macarons, right? So I didn't give up, and I searched why it's happening this way, and I found one girl on the internet that she's experiencing the same, how to say, macaron shell. She actually explained why it's happening that way, because it was the oven. So I don't have a convention oven. My oven is just electric oven, looks like this. As you can see, it has just a heat, I don't know how to say, this bottom part. And basically I don't have any fan or air to push the macaron shells up, if this makes sense. And then she found a solution. If you preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit, Celsius probably 200, so 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit, and then as soon as you put the macaron, drop the temperature to 300, which is regular temperature for macaron recipe. So I did that. So I preheated the oven to 400, and I dropped the temperature 300, and I could make the macaron shell. I mean, it's not like perfect macaron shells, but I think it was way better than before. That, I mean, I didn't have any problem with the soft shells.